What does it mean to be wealthy? This question has intrigued and challenged the minds of individuals for centuries. Wealth, in its most fundamental form, is an abundance of valuable resources or possessions. But is it just about having an overflowing bank account or a closet full of designer clothes? Not necessarily. Wealth can be seen as a measure of financial security. It's the comfort of knowing that your basic needs are met, and you have the ability to pursue your dreams and aspirations. It's about having the freedom to make choices that enable you to live life on your terms. Now, imagine finding yourself in a situation where you have taken a loan, and suddenly the central bank hikes up the interest rates. It can be a daunting situation, but remember, even in the face of such challenges, surviving and thriving is possible. When interest rates rise, your loan repayment amount might increase. This could put a strain on your budget and financial goals. But here's the good news. You can tackle this situation by employing a few strategies. First, consider refinancing your loan. This means replacing your existing loan with a new one that has more favorable terms. It's a way to potentially lower your monthly payments and make them more manageable. Second, consider consolidating your loans. This is especially helpful if you have multiple loans with varying interest rates. By consolidating, you can potentially lower the overall interest rate and simplify your payments. Third, focus on budgeting and cutting back on unnecessary expenses. It's about prioritizing your spending and making sure you're putting your money where it matters most. Lastly, consider seeking professional financial advice. Financial advisors can provide you with personalized strategies to manage your loans effectively. In summary, wealth is not just about accumulating money or possessions. It's about financial security and the freedom to live life on your terms. And even when faced with challenges like increased loan interest rates, there are strategies you can employ to manage your finances effectively. Remember, being wealthy is about more than just money. It's about financial freedom, stability, and the ability to weather life's storms. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep striving for that wealth. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, knowledge is wealth. Until next time, stay wealthy.